Hello, I'm Jan. I'm currently doing a EUMaster4HPC at Sorbonne University. My background is in applied maths, but I'm now starting to get interested in the hardware part, in the processor architectures. So it has been a very intense yet rewarding experience. At Sorbonne, I'm pursuing 3 degrees in mathematics and computer science. And so we have a lot of exams and a lot of projects, but they are all very interesting. And the fact that we can collaborate across different universities with other people also doing the EUMaster4HPC has been very interesting. For example, the challenge that we were able to present at the summit. In this program, I've learned to work under tight deadlines on real-world HPC problems. This also exposed me to the HPC community. I was able to network and engage with professionals in the field and also understand what I would like to do in the future in the field of HPC.